Greetings, guys, buddies, and pals. I'm doing the first as Dezi Perado, and today we're going to sample a song and then make a 90s style boom bap beat out of it. The purpose of this video is to hopefully inspire you to attempt this concept or to try to make music or try to create something that doesn't exist. At minimum, these kind of exercises are fun, just to be able to cut something up and try to present it a different way. So come on, let's take a look. The song is called Do You Feel It? Or in Spanish, Tú lo sientes. It's by a man named Joe Cuba, the Sextets. Check it out.
Yes, I feel it. I feel my beloved barrio, my ghetto.
Yeah, this song is pretty cool. It kind of goes like that.
Beautiful. Our food
Through
was
the whole
really
song.
together.
Kind of talks.
Rice and beans. That's us. You want to try? Everything was beautiful to me.
Yeah, this is cool.
My querido.
So, I mean, what we're going to try to do is find some clips from this song and make a beat out of it. So, already, we'll use the beginning part, right? And then we'll also use this part. Oh. We'll also use this part right here.
Yes,
Do you feel it? I feel like that's a big part of the song. There's also this other breakdown somewhere in the middle of this song. I'm going to play it for you so you can hear it. Listen.
my ghetto. Yes, I feel.
All right. Okay, so I went ahead and actually chopped everything up. I wanted to show you what I did here. So the first thing I did was I took the beginning part. Right, those are my chops. I'm gonna actually pitch this up 3 though. Right here. We'll do something. Something around like that, right? I also went and got this. Do you feel it? That's another sample. And this portion of that little solo in the middle of the song.
I get.
Right? I'm actually going to use that as a melody. So I played something close to this, like. It's very similar. I kind of just put it on time. And let me show you the drums. I use Crate Digger, which is 90s boom bap style. These sounds are actually on Logic Pro X already. You don't have to download them or buy them or anything. They come with the program. And this was like the drums that I went with here. Check it out. Cool. The last thing I did was I actually played a bass line to go with the melodies. We'll just hear it all together now so we can hear how it goes. This beat's kind of hard too, just so you know. The chorus right here. made it this far in the video, consider liking and subscribing.